some of the issues here, and I guess in every other company, is the back and forth between departments. Like I send the file is going back and like, this drawing is not right, this standards is not exactly correct, these numbers are not the way that we do it, and it takes time and it's frustrating. So if I have this double check with Leo and I said every time, Leo, check this drawing, and he said, okay, you need to do it, tak, tak, tak. And when I send it to the other department and it won't come back, I can go with a clean mind to the next project, and I don't have to hold everything in my mind like, okay, there is a file that I sent a month ago, I need to double check it right now. I already forgot it, I already moved forward. So it's very, it's making the smooth way of work that when you send it, you can move forward.